Every promise you said you'd keep. I'm wide awake while you fall asleep, right next to me but out of reach. I'm holding on until it hurts. We build it up just to watch it burn, but I'll keep coming back until there's nothing left. I'm holding on, can't let you go. Every piece of me breaking so. If loving you's a losing war, why do I still want more? I know better now, but I still don't know how. We don't stop, no, we don't stop until it hurts. Just keep holding on and on. The pain's running